got famous friends in the house.
I know, right?
Double
Look,
O,
it's all the people
Double O
here.
dude is here.
This is Marcy Junebug. If you don't follow her, I'll leave a link to her channel right here. She's made it all the way from Indiana.
Took the words right out of my mouth, Matt Jackson.
I had to come pick up my car.
YouTube session.
It's like a YouTube party. Look at us all. We're all going to be on everybody's channels.
I don't even have my camera
It's
out.
nice to meet you finally.
Yeah.
Hey, good to meet
Hi,
you.
man.
Be double file out of here.
We were behind you initially. These are the tailpipes we have.
So it's a star-studded Junebug rally.
So these are nice. They're
Got all the YouTube folks. I'm going to go for a walk.
Pretty stock, but just
Man, what a freaking lineup. This is a crazy. It's already a show. Everybody's here. Everybody's having a good time. There he is. Look who it is.
Ready for the cruise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Here we are on our VW Harvest cruise. Let's do it. We got about 30 minutes.
I drove the bus, not the pilot.
The girl.
Saw Gary in his bus yesterday, but I was in my work truck. That Harvest Beetle. Man. We remember this one from last weekend. Had that cool trailer on it. Yes, sir. VW Life in the house. Or in the bus, rather. What's up? Oh, it's just a water cooled over there. We don't need to go over there. I like that. Sounds like Clint's on his way. So it sounds like Clint's on his way. Man, we were gone for all of 30 seconds and the line's already gotten longer. Man, look at everybody. It's looking good, man. So we heard this car come hauling ass from 17 miles away, and I said, hey, that's got to be Clint and the gang. Sure enough, next car that pulls in is Clint.
Red light up there.
What's up, dude? Dude, we heard you coming 19 miles away, dude.
That was both of us.
And I said, oh, here comes Clint.
Hell yeah.
It's looking good, man.
Hey, you don't have some wing nuts, do you? Cover it for the top of the carburetor?
Oh, not on me.
No, but I mean, you'll have some tomorrow, maybe?
Yeah,
Or
definitely.
I need one stud and a couple wing
I'll
nuts.
probably got it. Here, go stand by your car. Alright, so you made it. You made it from last night, the struggle.
Yep, everybody made it except Keith. Broke his transmission on the way down here.
so friggin' hot. Where's that guy going? Half the group got stuck behind a train. The other half of the group got stuck, got lost in the traffic. Then we hit the hilly parts, and some people went the wrong way. So it's going to be interesting to see who shows up on time and who's late. We're in this sort of traffic jam, and I think that we're causing the traffic jam. There's enough of us in line here that are going slow, and some of the guys like to double up, take 2 lanes, so that's like 90 degrees and there's no airflow in this canyon. I got not enough open window space, so I'm dying of heat stroke. Got my little bottle of water. Yeah, I don't know, just an update because we're about halfway there and we're stuck into traffic. We'll see if we can't catch up to the group though and get a little more of that beautiful driving footage of a swarm. So, we'll see. There it is! The rest of the group, we found them! Come on, Weissman! Alright, we made it. It's the Harvest Cruise. It is freaking packed. I think they just counted 98 cars. 98 cars. That's a couple. And then some. Man, you can't even get around. There's like doubled up in the aisle. See? Doubled up in the aisle there. It's just everybody's here. I think we left with 68. We picked up 30 more by the time we got here. We got somewhere kicking around here is Double O Dude, and Marcy's here, Marcy Junebug, Matt Jackson. It's a YouTube party. Oh, look who it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi. How's it
Hi.
going? Hey, so this is Kelly, and according to Kelly, we just broke the record for most cars at Top Notch ever.
Any car show, Volkswagen, hot rods, anything. Biggest event so far.
Over 100.
Wow.
Good job.
Congratulations.
Good job, everybody. Yeah.
Now let's all go to VC Clubhouse and get a free beer.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh wait, that was yesterday.
That was yesterday. Yeah.
Wow.
Everything good, Jonathan? Yeah, everything's good. Ready to go for the car.
I was gonna say something, but he started revving, so just walking around. Got the crash dummies down from way up north. Burning belts and throwing tires and everything.
Chirping gears and pulling brodies.
Wait, say it again. I don't think they heard.
Chirping gears and pulling brodies. Race car.
Dallas style. Well, Fort Worth is the same as Dallas. It's the same thing.
No, where'd you say
Austin, Houston, whatever.
Right?
Yeah, San Francisco, San Diego.
There he goes. Madness. Surprised you're not taking a nap in your bus.
Right?
Oh, you just wait till those pictures come out. It's crazy. I didn't want one to come.
Okay.
I wanted to get it on the films.
Okay. No tenemos a actualizar.
What? All right, wow, what a crazy ass party. That was nuts. Over 100 cars. We broke the record for the number of cars at Top Notch for any event ever in the history of that place. So, yay Volkswagens. Tons of people, saw everybody. It was actually pretty great. People from down in Houston all the way up to Fort Worth. Clint made it down with his race car. He's probably out racing it right now. Got to see a lot of friends. That was nice. A lot of cool cars too. A lot of new cars, stuff I've not seen. There was a really nice chop bug, man. Just super low and super wide. Cool. There was a split there. I think Elliot drove his split bug down. So that was good. Good night. Harvest is tomorrow. Getting up bright and early. Gonna hit that swap before the sun comes up, most likely. So we'll make that episode number 2 to be continued. So for now, we're gonna say goodnight. We're done. We gotta go home and get packed up and get ready. So VWHarvest.com, that's the site for the show tomorrow. By the time you see this, it will have been a few days ago, I'm sure. Check out the VW Life guys. They got their Facebook page, facebook.com/VW Life. They got all kinds of great stuff going on. Who knows what they're gonna do now? They don't have that car to build anymore. It's done. It's being given away tomorrow. So we'll see what they come up with. VolksAmerica.com, of course. Get your Volks America magazines, Volksmania magazines. Check all that stuff out. Lonestar VW Roundup. Lonestar VW Weekend. I keep doing that. Oldvolks.club/Lonestar. Check us out. That's our show in April down in Bastrop. If you're local, if you're not local, you got plenty of time to get here, so come down. It's going to be a great show. Okay, that's it. We're done. Good night. Thanks for watching.